Here is a comparison between Hume band and Oura ring. Hume band can catch health issues while they're still reversible. So this is like a watch that can actually watch for the health that you have and track your sleep, your weight, as well as the necessary needs on your health. So as you can see, this is actually a style that you can go ahead and wear. Aura ring is just like the version of Hume band, but this is a ring version. This is more minimalist that you can actually use and wear on your ring finger and much cheaper than the band or other straps itself. Now here's a table for a concise comparison between the two. For the Hume band, its main focus is emotional tracking and its key strength is real-time stress insights, while Aura ring main focus is sleep and recovery and the key strength is discrete form factor. So if you want to monitor your emotional track, you can go ahead and purchase Hume band. But if you want to track your sleep, you can go ahead and purchase Oura ring.